Hello teachers and friends, my name is Nguyễn Phan Anh, my English name is Lucy Nguyễn, in from class to be free. Today I will talk about endangered Asian elephant. Now I pretend to be an elephant. This is me and a poster about me. Do I look very cute? I am an Asian elephant. I live in Asian forest. I live with my family to stay safe. I eat bananas, grass, bamboos, sugarcans. Some people hunt me and my family for ivory tusk, meat and leather. So seriously, my family is in big danger. Oh no! Please save us! What should humans do now? We must save to ivory. No ivory selling and buying. We have to share the earth with the animals. That's the end of my talk. Thank you for listening and goodbye.